the accompaniment for this meal is going to be mashed potato. Alright, we're going to do the Irish. So put to eat. So put to eat. Put the stove gauge on 6 just to get the water. Cover it. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Now back to this. Start peeling these as thin as possible, very thin. This is 1 pound. I'm gonna pause, and with the magic of editing, you're gonna just see all of this finish. I got that off a TV program I was watching. So the water is boiling. I'm going to add this to the boiling water. So that's why we set the water first. And although we added salt, we're going to add just a little, just right. Magic of finish. Let's put that aside. Now we're going to dice it. So you just do like that. Like that. Because I'm cutting on this plate, I'm not pressing on it hard. Right. The water been boiling. Put the stove gauge now on 4. And just put these in. Cover this slightly. It took about 3 minutes for the water to boil. And put the water halfway in the pot. So back to dicing. You don't want to cut it too fine. It's probably cook quicker, but about ½ inch thick. It all depends on how big the Irish potato is. Slightly. It's about 10 minutes and the stove is on 4, which is medium for some of you guys. Stove, and you see how it's not frothing over. It's just bubbling. Just keep the pot slightly off, three-quarter way closed, or quarter way open. Alright, it's been 15 minutes for this. Let's test one. You see, I don't like to cook food too much because you're killing the enzyme the longer you cook it. So this is good. Turn it off. Remove the water. Hold it carefully. Leave a little in. Okay. Let's just leave a little in the water in. Not that much. And butter now. If you want, you can add butter, but I don't use butter, but dip a little oil in it. And a quarter teaspoon of salt. This is the fun part. It's best to do this when it's hot. And just smash it, smash it, smash it. Some can use better. Yeah man, perfect. Like this makes this. Whoa, yeah, what a difference a tool make. All of my kitchen tools are dirty right now, so this is my grandmother gave me. I saw it in some storage and I told her I wanted it. She gave it to me. Stainless. So you just smash this. If you're eating this, you can finish, but you know, if you're serving it to people like your husband or children, you want to make sure it's really smashed in well. If you're serving it, you gotta do a good job. And butter, I must admit, butter do taste nice with this, but I don't eat butter that much. I don't really eat butter. So that's it. Cover this until you're ready to serve. You can transfer it in a plate. In fact, you should have smashed it in a container, but I'm doing a fasting. Now we're going to do some serving. It's an Irish. Hope you come out and plate easy. Let's see. That's pretty good. Irish potato mash. Mashed potatoes. Alright. Spoons are all washed. It's a nice, clean, simple, tasty way of cooking the sardine. The corn is nice. So enjoy. I'm gonna go feast.